Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module, problem number 3, relativity and cosmology. Okay, dear students, before coming towards the statement of this problem, it is clarified that some part of this problem has been deliberately removed from our video lecture. Okay, the reason behind removal of that part may be that I may not think myself fully capable to deliver the philosophy contained in that part. Okay, so we come towards statement of this problem. Statement: a meter stick moving at 0.900 c. C means, C stands for speed of light, 2.99 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, a meter stick. Meter stick definitely means a stick of length 1 meter. Okay, a meter stick moving at 0.900 c relative to the Earth's surface approaches an observer at rest with respect to the Earth's surface. What is the meter stick's length as measured by the observer? Okay, this is actually length contraction related problem. Now we come towards its solution. This part of solution is exactly same as we did in our previous module of relativity and cosmology. Okay, if the relative speed between frames is v, the contracted length L and the proper length L naught are related by L equal to L naught over gamma, or alternatively L equal to L naught into under root 1 minus V square over C square, equation number 1, where gamma equal to 1 over 1 minus V square over C square under root is called Lorentz factor. Okay, so dear students, whatever is given in the statement we will put in this equation and we will get our answer. Okay, so let us start. As per given statement, L naught is equal to 1.00 meter. Okay, as it is given that meter stick means 1 meter length. Okay, and V is equal to 0.900 c, while c is speed of light 2.99 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Okay, using above values in equation number 1. Equation number 1, L equal to L naught over gamma equal to L naught into under root 1 minus V square over C square. We get L equal to 1.00 meter into 1 minus, in place of V we have used 0.900 c whole square divided by C square. This then becomes equal to M, because it is understood that M is 1m. Okay, this becomes equal to M into 1 minus 0.900 whole square. Okay, because c square will be cancelled out with c square and we will be left with only 1 minus 0.900 whole square. This alternatively becomes equal to m into 1 minus 0.81. Okay, 0.81 means square of 0.9 is 0.81 and this alternatively becomes equal to m into under root 0.19. Okay, because when 0.81 will be subtracted from 1, we will get 0.19. Okay, L becomes equal to m into under root 0.19 and this alternatively becomes equal to 0.4358 meter. Okay, hence L has become equal to 0.4358 meter. Okay, so contracted length has become equal to 0.4358 meter instead of 1 meter. Okay, so this problem was about length contraction. Now we come towards the reference book from where this problem has been chosen. Okay, so our reference book is Physics for Scientists and Engineers with Modern Physics. Its authors are Raymond A. Survey and John W. Jude Jr. Its publisher is Cengage and its 9th edition 2014 has been adopted or followed, while its concerned chapter is chapter number 39 under title Relativity, because our course is also Relativity and Cosmology, and this problem has been chosen from exercise number 39.6, that is problem number 6 of chapter 39 of this book, and this is the end of our module. Okay.